Hello, in this video I am going to show you some important features of the Google Photos, like how you can upload the bulk photos and videos into the Google Photos. So as you can see that I have already opened Google Photos in front of me, and you also have to make sure that you have logged into your Gmail account as well. So now you can see that if you want to change some settings of the Google Photos, you can do that by going to the settings. And if you want to change the picture quality and you want to save the original files, you can change these settings as you want. So now if you want to upload some bulk files here, you can do that by going to the option which is about upload. So now you will see that two options. The first one is about computer, the second one is about download, backup and sync. So if you click on the computer, you can select any of the folder or file from the computer, and if you click on the option which is about download, backup and sync, it will take a few times, but it will download and backup to your Google Photos. Even if you have lost a picture or file, you can find that in your Google Photos. So if you want to upload some folder here, you can also do that by dragging and dropping. For example, if I want to upload this folder into my Google Photos, I will drag it and drop it here. By doing that, my bulk file or the bulk folder have been uploaded here. By following the same step, you can also upload as many files as you need. So that's how you can upload the bulk photos and videos into the Google Photos. Thank you.